Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we will discuss this question, find the length or size of a string. So there have a string name is STL and there have a value coding karo. Okay. So in this string, so this is the first character, this is the second character, this is the third character, this is the fourth character and so on. This is the nth minus 1 character. Okay, so what's the first intuition came in your mind? Just go one just go one character. There have a so many characters, so just type first one character, then the second character, then the third character, and if I count each and every character and till n minus 1, we just get the whole length or whole size. This is the first basic intuition. Okay, so until or when we stop traversing, when we stop this traverse, so we should traverse end at this or at this end. Okay, so when we reach there have a null character, or when we get no any character of the string, so we end the traversing. Okay, so go to the GFG, okay, and solve it. So there have a string s and we need to return the size. There have a in type return. Okay, so at first we declare a variable size. At first we declare initialize with 0 because empty character, or sorry, empty string size is 0. Okay, so while, take a while loop, and for that until we does not meet any null character. Okay, and then size plus plus when you meet any character, and increment each every traversing, then return the size. Okay, compile and run, check it, ready for evaluation. I think this is okay. Yes, no, this is not okay. So for that case, I think there have issue. Oh, sorry, in type equal to 0. Sorry for that. I should initialize the iterator, and this is okay. Yeah, your output is 5 and expected 5. Okay, submit it. Yeah, all test cases are done. So, or also we can say, if there have any character, so remove this portion. If we remove this portion, also this will be applicable. Yeah, this is also, so all test cases pass, and check hidden test cases, is it passed or not. Yeah, all test cases are passed. So what is the time complexity in there? So the time complexity with traversing from the 0th index to n, 0th index to n minus 1 index. So in that case, we traversing each and every character of string. So we can say the time complexity is big O of n. Okay, so this is the time complexity. And what's the pace complexity? In that the case of pace complexity, we don't take any extra space here, so we can say big O 1 constant time, constant space. So but we take just a string. Okay, for that case we take big O N, but for the evaluation we don't take any extra space. That's why we can say the space complexity is big O1. Okay, so what's the another approach? So you can say this is the, okay, just wait a second. They have a STL method. Okay, for that case we take the STL method. In that STL method, what's the STL? This is the standard template library. In the STL there have a various type of method of string class, like size method and length method. We previously discussed about this method. So what's the size? Like string dot size. This method gets you the answer. What's your string size? And also string dot length, it is also applicable in there. Okay, so check it. Yeah, in there, just commenting it. Okay, so this is our brute force approach. So for that case, just return of string dot size. Here string name is s, variable name is s. So just compile and run, ready for evaluation, and check expected output. Why? Check the constant. Expected time complexity big O1, auxiliary space big O1. Okay, what's the issue? Oh, sorry. And this will be fine. Okay, we just forget remove this mistake. There are a mistake. We just remove it. Okay, sorry. Submit it and check all tests are passed or not. Yeah, all are passed. So there have also a method string dot, sorry, there have a string method length length. Okay, right, and check it, it will be applicable. Yeah, submit it. Yeah, problem solved successfully. So what's take the time complexity? Yeah, so here the time complexity is big O1. Okay, their time complexity is big O1. Why? So this is the STL method, and STL, do it by yourself. Okay, so this is the time complexity. And what is the space complexity? We don't take any auxiliary space, so our space complexity also big O1. Okay, constant time and constant space. Okay, so guys, I hope you have understood everything over here, and the next lecture also about string problem. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Please, if you have any doubts or suggestion about these problems, drop them in the comments. I will be happy to help.